Cancer. Welcome to my channel. This is your next 48. My readings may not resonate with everyone. All right, let's get started. You have the Knight of Swords. Someone could be rushing in with some type of news here. You guys are manifesting and you're moving forward. All right, you may have an idea. Let's see. Someone may rush in and stop by. This is a trusted friend. They may want to start over with you. They may want to go on a venture with you. They may want you to ride with them, explore with them. All right, they definitely have an offer for you. Some of you, there may be some news that comes in real quick. All right, and there's going to be some type of sorrow and regret that something is over. Something is finalized. You are one. Authenticity. I cannot say that word. All right. 9 of Cups. Let's see. King of Swords, person you're dealing with. 3 of Cups. The Decadence. How you're handling the situation. King of Cups. The Moon. Queen of Wands. On Wednesday, we have 4 of Swords. The Hermit. All right, you guys are taking a break. 9 of Swords. Okay, Knight of Swords. Fast movement. Someone coming in with some type of news here. This is someone who comes in quickly and as fast as they came, they leave as fast. All right, you guys, you are one. Authenticity. You may feel like people are not understanding where you're coming from. All right, for some of you, you're just happy doing you. All right. You guys may be feeling left out, holding back here from any offers. Yeah, you guys are could be happy doing you. You're not caring about what people think. You could be communicating this to someone, a group of friends, co-workers here. The person you're dealing with, they could be setting some type of boundaries here. Some of you could be dealing with a supervisor. They could be, you know, ragging on you about completing a goal or something here. Some of you, this person has made a decision. They want to reunite with you. They want to spend some time with you. This person could be setting up boundaries. It may be hard to spend time with you. This person may live at a distance. This person may want to communicate with you. They may want to at least be friends. This person could be cutting out spending time with you. This person could be cutting out promotion here. Some of you may have to work alone. You're not working with co-workers. Some of you happy to work alone. How you handling this situation? I feel like you'll help someone. You could be happy to help someone, but you know something is dead here. But you know that it's a loss. You know that it's a disaster. If this is about love, I feel like you love someone, but you know that the situation is dead. Cancer. The possible outcome. You guys are determined to keep something a secret, or you're definitely determined to conceal something here. What's the moon? Some of you are afraid to move forward on this. Yeah, you're holding back from moving forward, helping someone, or opening up to someone, because you know that it's a dead end here. On Wednesday, you guys are going to be thinking about spending some time alone or isolating yourselves because you're worried about something. You're needing to take a break, spend some time alone, do some reflecting and planning here so you can heal. Some of you may have to have surgery. For some of you, needing to take a break. You're worried about something. Spending time alone here. Some of you could be talking to a lawyer about jail here, and you're definitely worried about it. Getting locked up, or someone that's in jail. Let's see. We have surrender to your intuition. Tune into your inner voice. Be aware of any gut feelings, flashes, knowings, or aha moments that come through to guide you. Oh. Surrender the habit of people-pleasing, Cancer. Speak your needs and be true to yourself. Focus on your own happiness instead of always trying to make everyone else happy. Yeah, you are one. And we have 9 of Cups. You guys could be happy to focus on yourselves because people are not understanding where you're coming from, or you may feel like you don't belong in that crowd or that situation. You are ready to let love in. Compassionately identify and begin to release any patterns that stop you from opening your heart. Yeah, because we have the Tower and King of Cups, all right? When it comes to you. You guys are not opening up. You're going through a Tower moment right now. You could be going through something. You're definitely concealing what you're going through right now. You're not expressing how you truly feel. Alright, Cancer, that's all I have. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I will greatly appreciate it. And to the ones who already have, thank you guys. Love you. Toodles.